And I think one must appreciate the work that has been done by the NDA government from the center, be it for the roads project. As I keep mentioning, PMGSY has seen a 10-fold jump in terms of the money sanctioned for PMGSY, from 140 crores to 1400 crores in 1 year itself. So therefore, I think one must realize the good work. And as I said, as a party and as a government, when it comes to stand for the rights of our people, we will never shy away. But that does not mean that we simply look at things and say that that this issue is there and therefore we're not going to work anymore. I think there is a point where we stand against issues and there's a point where we work towards development. And we are concerned about development issues and we'll continue to working for development. At the same time, we will ensure that our people's rights are not affected and our people are protected. In the meeting next week, and based on that, we will decide on how to move forward. I have again and again mentioned that the protection and the interest of the people is priority for us, and whatever needs to be done in that line, the government is working hard at all the options and looking forward to ensure that this objective is achieved.
So are you planning to come up with our amendments to an amendment, because the session will be taking so long?
Let us see. Let us see. Once the cabinet meets and once discussion takes place, we'll come to know. Cabinet will be next week.
So there was a remark today that your decision to attend this case, Kashi was there, confirmed that your relation with NDA is still there.
I think there is no doubt about that fact. I think why opposition is making this an issue is best known to them. But we've been very clear that we have been working with the NDA in the past and obviously been fighting against the Congress in the past. So there is no doubt about that. But that does not mean that we accept everything that is said in the coalition, everything that the NDA or the BJP puts on us. We will make our decision on what is in the best interest of our people, and when it needs to be fought, we are ready to fight. And but at the same time, we must remember that NDA in the last 5 years, a lot of development work has taken place for the Northeast. In the last 1 year of the governance that took place, a lot of schemes, almost 4 to 5 times more